everybody, it's Christine with CocoaDaisy, and can you believe summer is here, which means I get to share my June setup with you. Super excited about this collection. It's all about your local town, your local city, if you go on a little bit of a weekend getaway, or even, like I said, if you just are in your own local little town or your local city. It's a really, really fun collection to use. I did a bunch of memory keeping and projects showcasing our trip to Chicago, which was a lot of fun. But honestly, there's some little coastal elements in here, and it could easily be just going downtown for a concert, going downtown to a coffee shop. Just so many fun ways that you can use this collection. And we've not done a city destination theme before. And I think it was a lot of fun because we made it not too slick. It has some great little local vibes to it, which I really, really like. So I feel like, and the bright colors, I'm loving the yellow and the red in this. It just makes me so, so happy. So let's take a look at what I did with my June setup here. I'm using a Vanderspec, and it is the beautiful red, and I think this is the Touch Me Red, I think is what they call it. I love this red. It's super vibrant, and it goes perfectly with this collection. And I'll try to remember what we have. And this is completely sold out, as is the travel kit. That's Lilu, sorry. The travel kit that is in here as well. Little bits and bobs of that. Even our new little mail club, the vinyl sticker of Simon, that's from our mail club. If you have not subscribed to that, make sure we opened up a bunch of spots starting on the 1st for the August set. And we may have a few extras that we were able to put together of the July set in the store. That will be in a little bit, probably mid-June. So look for those. If you want to sign up for the August subscription, look for that on June 1st. And again, thank you guys so much for another amazing, amazing month. So let's dig in here a little bit, and I will try and go through what is from what as best as I can recall. So this was one of the personal size dashboards I cut down. I always kind of put the little tags in there. There's a few die cuts. This was the pen that came with the planner kit, and this was the sticky note pad that came with the planner kit. This, I think, was just one of the pocket cards. This is like one of my favorite patterns from the whole month. I have a cute little bow from my stash. That is from my stash as well. The one thing I did not add in here, I'm going to go in my stash and find some glitter dots, and I think I'm going to add a few of those in here as well. The pretty overlay, that is from the stationery kit. And then I used the vellum date stickers from the journaling kit or the Deluxe Journaling Kit. They both have those. And then just did some fun stamping on here using the stamp sets from the scrapbooking kit, the stamp subscription, and then the travel kit had a great stamp set in it as well. So just kind of played with those. And this is where I do my photo a day. And I am pretty well caught up with my memory keeping, the photo of the day. And I had a number of you ask me to do a flip through of that. And I will post that here soon, just kind of getting back into the rhythm after being gone so much. From mid-February to the end of April, we were in St. Lucia, San Francisco, Chicago, and Houston. That was a lot in about 6 to 7 weeks. So we're just kind of getting all settled in, getting back on schedule. Projects are getting caught up, and in all of that craziness. So I'm hoping to be able to get back to having some time to do some other projects and share those with you guys. So just kind of some other fun little stamping. This, I love this overlay or this piece of vellum. This was from the stationery kit as well, one of my favorites. And then you have your week on 2 pages. And this is where I kind of do my menu plan. Just add a little strip of washi tape across the top there. And just mostly some stickers. I will add sometimes a sticky note. This one is from this stationery kit. And yeah, just lots of stickers. I love the little houses. They make it really easy to build up and build a scene. And then mid-June, we go to the beach. Super excited about that. We have not been in our RV since last summer, and so we really miss it. So we're excited for that. Little menu plan there. Be at the beach again. Cannot wait. Oh, it seems like it's been a really long time. It is May. It is the end of May right now when I'm filming this. And it's still cold out. Next week, it's supposed to finally warm up. So I'm ready for it. If you guys know me, you know I don't like cold. I like to be warm. I like summer. I like sunshine. So I especially loved putting this together in my planner because it's like, yes, summer's coming. So super excited. So again, just a bunch of stickers, some layering there, makes it super simple. I added these stickers down the middle. I thought that was really cute. Those are the little Polaroid stickers. Some more menu planning. And again, don't be afraid to run things right through the gutter. This was one of the larger rectangles from one of the kits. I thought that was really kind of cute. And then my monthly to-do. Another piece of vellum. This one was from the Deluxe Journaling Kit. I don't know what I'm going to put on here yet. And then the calendar. And I just added a few die cuts on here, a few stickers on here. Again, I'm going to probably dig in my stash and get some glitter dots and add those on there. I always like to do that. I absolutely loved, there's 2 little seagulls on one of the pet sticker sheets. And that's just so cute. Perfect for at the beach. And then I used one of the dashboards to cover up my beginning of the month. Added in the little pen test card. That little clip is from my stash. This is a page from one of the week's notebooks. I still need to add my little to-do on the top there with some alpha stickers. And then another one of the dashboards. This is just some of the pretty pattern paper. Trying to remember what kit this pattern paper was in. Maybe it was the planner. I'm not exactly sure. Because our travel kit, for the first time, we did a paper pad in our travel kit. And I'm super, super stoked about that. So the next time we have a special kit, we will do a paper pad. So the Halloween kit, which, yes, we're going to have a Halloween kit, and it is fantastic. The artist that we have for the October collection and the Halloween is, you guys are you're going to love her stuff. So added that, one of the little die cuts from the travel kit. The little glasses are from my stash. And then I have some more pattern paper with one of the adhesive pockets. Now this adhesive pocket, I added a little bit of white paper behind just so that I wanted to be able to see the writing. So it's a little trick you can do. And my little June card, I punched that so I can use that as a bookmark too. You can always wrap washi tape around those and use them as a washi card. I cut this out of one of the pocket cards and added it to some of the pattern paper. As I did here, same idea to make my little bookmark. And then my daily pages. And originally I was going to do the red and the yellow, but then I opted for the red and the blue. And I kind of like that better. And then I did just black. And this stamp set, by the way, I'm ordering more of those. I'm finally getting those ordered. So it'll be a little bit before we get them, but we will get those back in stock. And another trick, I try to mention this, but a great way so you're not constantly opening and shutting your rings is to just take your paper and cut a little slit on there, and then you can move it around and it's super easy and you're not opening and stressing those rings too much. And then I have some more dashboards and some pretty pattern paper. And again, I think I'll find like some little green glitter dots would be pretty on there. And then like that. And then the little car charm, how adorable is that? I added that actually to my little zipper on here. So it's like a little zipper pull because it's so stinking cute. You can add it to a paper clip and have it on there. Or if you have a traveler's notebook, you can add it to the elastic that goes around. You can do that. You could add it to the zipper pull that is on the super cute pouch. So it's got the little front pocket, it's got the main pocket, and then it has this elastic so you can wrap it around your notebook or your binder. So I love that. I did want to mention we did a past clip, magnetic clip that is a red that works really well with this collection too. So I pulled that out. All right, now as far as which fountain pens, so I don't have a red one, but I do have this adorable, I don't know if you say Coeco is how I always say it, yellow, and it is absolutely perfect. So I'm thinking I'm going to go with that. And it came with a yellow ink cartridge, and it's kind of a yellow orange, and it's really kind of pretty. So I think I might use that one. And then I may use this one, because this Twisbi. I love Twisbis. Twisbis, if you're kind of new to fountain pens, Twisbis are a great, great, great option to start out without spending a lot of money. I love them. I use them all the time. And I'm thinking for ink, there's two reds. And I have a thing with reds. Like, I don't want a red, this is going to sound kind of gross, but when you write with it that it looks like dried blood, which can happen, I'm like, ew, I don't want that. So I did find two really pretty reds. So this is the Diamond Shimmer, and it's the Sailor's Warning. And that's really, really pretty. That's a really nice red. I like that one. Or this Ferris wheel press, the Eightfold Fortune, is really pretty as well. And it's got a really pretty shimmer. So I don't know. So either one of those, they're both, isn't that a pretty shimmer on there? I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments below which one you would pick. And yeah, so this is my setup for June using the Summer Avenue collection. We do have some bits and bobs left over. Be watching for those. Those will get listed hopefully pretty soon, maybe a few weeks yet. But yeah, so hey, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'm going to try desperately to get back to your comments this week. And again, thank you guys. Share CocoaDaisy with your friends. Just thank you guys again for another wonderful, wonderful month. And I will talk to you in July. Or actually, I'll talk to you in June with July.